Hey guys, Matt Hoagland here. I wanted to make a quick video. I see a lot of people asking how to do a free membership or like a trial membership in Kartra. So let me just show you real quick. So I just made a quick page. Let me just edit this page and I'll show you kind of the difference. A lot of people understand that when they can link a product to a membership, and so you would have if you wanted to purchase our membership, as soon as this loads, I'll show you here. So like here, if you wanted to join our membership, you would just link like a cart here, so they could just then pay for it right here. And where some of those are pre-built is under sections. It's under checkout form. So like you would just link a checkout form and somebody could purchase it. But the way you do that, but then you can't do a $0 membership in Kartra. And so then what you need to do is do it differently. So the way you want to do it is actually just do an opt-in form. So they're just going to give you their name and whatever information you want, and then have this form that's not connected to a cart actually fire off access to the membership. So let me show you that real quick. So you basically build some kind of squeeze page or some kind of form where they can just put their information in however you want to do it. So let me go back out here real quick and show you how that works. So you would go to like my forms, and this is what you'll embed in the page. You would go to, I'm just going to edit it real quick and set this whole thing up. Okay, so you can ask any information you want. So come on. Okay, so you can ask first name, last name, whatever you want to do. You can add as many fields as you want, whatever you think you need for the membership. And then you have to have a success page that they would go to, like a thank you page and stuff like that. So I'll set that up later. You can send them a welcome email if you want, but they're also going to get a welcome email from the membership as well. So this is where you do it. So underneath advanced automations, what you would do is you would add a new automation, and you would say, anyone that fills out this form, then grant them access to whatever membership you want to give them, like all my master classes standard level, or you could do like free level or whatever you want to do. So they would just fill out a form, and the form would trigger off the membership, is how you would actually do it, instead of actually selling them a product. So yeah, I just see that question a lot. Hopefully that helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, comment below, subscribe, and have a great day, guys.